Your house, your car, your boat? I think it's time to talk about what you have and what you still don't have. Is this your house? Is this the pool of your dreams? And is this your kitchen? And you are still carrying water, and you are still having shower beyond water with chlor? That's not possible. Life quality means that you have fresh water for drinking and for having a shower 24 hours a day. To find the perfect solution for your water filtration system, please visit us on our website at www.elemento4, like the number.com, and we can show you some solutions to have a better life quality that fits to these perfect things that you have already. Thank you very much and see you soon.